Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the audio in HTML. If you want to use the audio in your HTML document, all you need to use audio element, and with the help of audio element you can use an audio file on the web page. Alright, so there are three supported formats of the audio in HTML: MP3 and WAV and OGG. And OGG is not supported in the Safari browser, so you have to remember that point. Okay, you can see the basic structure of the HTML document. Now you have to use the audio element. Okay, and in audio element you can provide the source here as well, but I want to provide inside this with the help of source element. Now I have to write the name of the audio file. All right,
mp3 embed.
I have to use the controls now, save it again and run it here. Alright, we have the audio file here. Okay, now if you want to autoplay this audio file, you have to use the autoplay property of the audio, save it again and run it again. Alright, you can also use the muted if you want, save it again and run it again. One thing that I have seen in the audio element and as well as in the video element, that whenever I just use the autoplay, it doesn't work properly. Alright, so but whenever I use it with the muted version, muted and autoplay together, then it works. I don't know, maybe it is just kind of doing problem with my browser, so you just check this out separately, okay, whether the autoplay works properly or not without the muted property. Okay, so you just have to check this thing. Okay, so you have the autoplay, you have the control. Okay, I have taken this file from the sample music of the Windows, so let me just run it. Okay, this is how you can use the audio file. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.